Let's face it, if you like watches, you like to collect watches, you need a watch box. That's the first thing I understood when I started this a few years ago. Here are some nice photos. You can check also their websites where you can find really nice watch boxes. Of course, prices will vary a lot. Here we are around 200 euros, and then you can move on up to 300, 500 euros, and then you can go even higher, because the watch box you will see in few seconds, they can get up to 2000 euros. The most important thing is that we need watch box, okay? And you can also find economical ones, like the ones I got. I have 3 of them here, 2 of my watch boxes. I bought them on Amazon. And let's go in detail and check those 2 that I bought, which for a beginner like me, it's pretty good. It really works well. So the box number 1, I paid 29 euros. You can see that is in fake leather, of course synthetic, but soft inside, interior, and it has a very nice glass to see through of your 6 watches that can stay in this beautiful box. It's nothing super special, but at the same time the watches are protected, you can see them, and the way it's finished, it's not that bad. I mean, for the price I paid, the 29 years, honestly, I find it very good one. So I'm quite satisfied. I put in this one the watches that are a little bit more expensive in my personal ongoing collection. Then we can see that there will be another watch box, okay, that has a different look, a different design, a little bit cheaper, that I bought a few months ago, and it's this one that looks like a briefcase. It's made of very thin aluminum, but the locks are good, you know, it really works well. And the interior, it's all black with other 6 watches places, okay, with those soft little pillows around which you can put the watch in a very easy way. If you liked this video, thank you for putting your like and sharing this video. Subscribe. Thank you.